It's Kelpie Vibes.
Sound so cute. They go they sound so cute. And my people they go sound so cute. Boss man they go sound so cute. When the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body. They go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo gbona feli. Say mo gbona feli.
Hey my loves, so these are the products I'll be using to achieve my finger coils today, and I'm basically just massaging the leave-in as well as the oil into my hair, and then I'm going to begin working in really small sections at a time, and I'm just detangling my first section in front. For the sake of this tutorial, I've left some parts in regular time, such as this part right here. This is just me naturally finger coiling my hair. I haven't sped it up or anything, but if you're a beginner and you'd like this to be a bit slower, YouTube has a feature where you can actually slow down clips. So definitely do that if you want to see exactly how I'm doing this. But basically all you're going to do is coil the hair around your finger, and it will give you these lovely results. And that's basically all I'm doing. So like I said, I love to work in smaller sections. Some people like to do their finger coils a little bigger. I personally feel like if you want to rock a finger coil out, which is when you unravel these coils after a few days, then it's definitely better to do them smaller, because that way you retain a lot of the definition. To me, the bigger coils, when you like kind of separate them, they kind of get a little bit frizzy, so I don't really like to do that. And another thing I would advise you do is whenever you coil, try to coil till you get to the end of your hair, so that the end of your hair isn't frizzy. You have like a full length coil, so definitely make sure you're doing that as well. This style is super simple, it's super easy. Like, to me, it's one of the easiest natural hairstyles because you don't actually have to like be twisting or like braiding your hair or anything. The only thing is it does take time if you have full hair like me, and if you choose to do it in small sections, it will definitely take you a while. I believe mine took me about 2 hours. And here what I'm doing is just like sliding all that excess product off. If you want, you can do that as well. It will definitely help your hair dry much faster. And I didn't do anything special to dry my hair. I just slept overnight with a bonnet and my hair was dry in the morning. Another thing I'd like to say about finger coils is you should be careful like what direction you coil your hair in. I personally wanted my hair to fall towards the front of my face, even though I don't have that much length. But if you have longer hair and you want it to fall towards a certain direction, then I feel like you should definitely coil in that direction, because when your hair dries, it's going to dry in that direction, and it'll be really hard to change how it falls by the time the hair is fully dry. So yeah guys, there isn't much to explain about this style. I'm just twisting my hair or coiling my hair as I go. You can also use a comb for this. If you have like a really tiny comb, you can also use it to create these coils. You can check YouTube, there's so many tutorials on how to get comb coils. And if the sides of your hair are short, because my hair is tapered but the sides have definitely grown out to a point where I can now like finger coil them individually. But when my hair was shorter, what I would do was I would finger coil the top part of my hair, which is like the middle and the front area where I had length, and then on the sides and the back I would use a sponge. I would use a curl sponge, and if you guys have seen my curl sponge tutorial, you will see that the results you get with the curl sponge are very similar to the results you get from finger coiling. Finger coiling is just a bit more defined, but if your hair is shorter on several sides, then definitely feel free to use a coil sponge or a curl sponge. It works just the same, in my opinion. So at this point, I was almost done coiling my hair, and you guys, if you've ever tried to do this on yourself, you will know the relief that comes with finishing, because like I said, it takes so long. So at this point I was super happy, like, oh my god, I'm almost done, like just the last couple of coils, let's just get this, like let's just do it, let's just finish. I was really excited, and yeah, this is pretty much what the finished style looks like. I just shook it a bit just so like I get rid of any of that excess product, and just so my hair just lays nicely the way I wanted it. And then I went ahead and just coiled any pieces that looked a bit frizzy to me. And this is basically all I do. At night, like I said previously, I just sleep with a satin bonnet. I don't really do too much. And then in the morning, all I did was just pick it a little bit. I did my edges. I picked it a little bit, very little, for a bit of volume, because I wanted to wear it as coils before I actually did a finger coil out, which I did like I think 4 days after I just unraveled the coils. And I should have actually recorded that for you guys, but I didn't. If you guys like to see that, definitely let me know. But this is basically all I did. And I also lost the clip of where I styled it with the hat, because I was going to wear this to church and I styled it with the hat. But yeah, this is such a cute, simple style, and in my opinion, it also passes as a protective style because your hair is just wrapped up and you're not really touching or messing with it. And yeah, it's really cute. It looked really cute when I styled it with a hat, and it's super defined. It looks really nice and shiny. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.